Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 570 and I'm gonna show you how to start the workout on this watch. First we need to open the activities menu. To do it, press the start button and then tap on this big activities button. And here we have the list of activities we can start. You can even tap on more to open the list. And here you have categories, so you can tap on the category to open it and look for something you like. So find the workout you want to start, tap on it. And before you start, you can change a couple of things. You can change the settings for your workout. We have training workouts, and race and tools, navigation, walk settings. So you can change the settings for the workout itself. And then you can also change the watch settings during the workout. For example, apparently we can't. Oh yeah, we can, because the brightness was too much. So hopefully it will change when you start the workout. Okay. And once you're done playing with the settings right here, to start the workout, you can press the start button. And the workout will begin. And here you have data pages. You can scroll through them by using the up and down button. You can also use the touchscreen, but first you need to unlock it. And to unlock the touchscreen, you need to swipe down like this. Come on, to unlock the touchscreen, and then you can use the touchscreen to move. What else? You can swipe right on the screen to open the menu again, and here you can change the things. You can change the settings if you want to. You can also change the sport. If you swipe left, you can control the music basically. So you can control the music on your phone. You can also add music apps on your watch, like Spotify and stuff like that. And if you press the start button, it will pause the workout and the menu will pop up, and here you can resume the workout, save it. So basically it will end the workout and save the data, resume later. And so you can pause it and then resume it later. You can set it up, you can press back to start, and you can check the recovery heart rate, and you can also discard the workout. So if you tap on this option, it will stop the workout and discard the not options, but the data. And if you want to unlock the or rather unpause the workout, you can press the start button. Oh no, not here. You need to select the resume option and then press the start button, and then it will resume the workout. If the workout is going, you can press the back button to set the lap. And I believe that's about all. I'm not sure what the light button does. I believe it disables the brightness, yeah. You can like light up the screen and make it less visible. And what else? The up and down buttons I already explained. So that's about all. So now I'm gonna stop the workout by pressing start. And then I'm gonna discard the workout because I don't want to save it. So I'm gonna use the button, scroll down, select discard and stop. Press start, and the workout will be stopped. Okay, and that's how you start the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.